With the administration now focusing on denaturalization efforts, there is a possibility that some Americans could be rendered stateless, that is, without citizenship in any country. Those who are stateless have no right to live or work legally in the United States. They often cannot get travel documents or passports. They can be detained indefinitely or potentially sent to a country they have no connection to. I want to talk about the options available to anyone who might be rendered stateless in the future. So if you are a naturalized citizen or the child of a naturalized citizen and do not hold a dual citizenship in another country besides the United States, please save this video in case you should ever have need of it. First of all, those who are denaturalized and become stateless as a result of denaturalization are not immediately deported. They have the opportunity to file for asylum, withholding of removal, deferred action, or temporary relief from removal. International human rights law strongly discourages rendering anyone stateless. That being said, this does not mean that the United States would never take such action. There are 6 countries that are well known for taking in stateless individuals. These are countries that you will want to make note of. The first is Sweden. Sweden recognizes statelessness as a category of humanitarian need. The stateless can apply for permanent residency and eventually citizenship. The second is Canada. Canada does not have a dedicated process for the stateless. However, it offers broad humanitarian pathways. The stateless can apply for permanent residence and eventually citizenship on humanitarian grounds. The third is France. France does have a formal statelessness determination process. The stateless can obtain a residence permit and access to social services. They are eligible for naturalization after 2 years. The fourth is the Netherlands. The Netherlands recognizes the stateless and offers protection and a path to citizenship after 3 years. The fifth is Brazil. Brazil is another country that has a formal statelessness determination procedure. The stateless are eligible for permanent residency and naturalization. The sixth and final is Uruguay. Uruguay has historically welcomed the stateless on humanitarian grounds. It provides them with a pathway to legal status and naturalization. If you are a naturalized citizen or the child of a naturalized citizen and you do not hold any citizenship other than American citizenship, you should be aware of these countries in the unlikely event of denaturalization.